morning. I've just got home from work. This is going to be my breakfast smoothie. I have figured out that you need to chop up the dates because they will kill your blades, because it was just too difficult and I can't be bothered. Okay, switch on. And that's all I'm going to do. I should have cut it up, but I didn't. Which means I'm going to is cacao, banana, avocado, plum, and cacao nibs. Okay, good morning. This one isn't that great either. You can taste the plum though. I need to get a different blender. It's okay. It's my breakfast done.